Man, pull me up, you hear me? This that go hard shit, this just beautiful, you know what I'm saying? What's out, C? I put my life on this. Get him, boy. Pull him on this sport shit, you know what I'm saying? This how I clear my mind. I see you, my boy. The last song on my motherfucking album, you know what I'm saying? You hear me? Unexpected, you hear me? You got me on that? Look, it's the same old story. Heard a nigga say no nuts, no glory. Change come every day, man, you can't control it. Same dream, same hustle. Couldn't tell a nigga nothing about my motherfucking brother. Kept it in the motion. Under lean in this purple, man, I learned to quote it. Just behold it, you my nigga Kane. If we don't get no bigger, play the post while we chase these riches. Feel this, we stick together, ain't no way we can miss it. But different bitches got everybody switching positions. And eventually the inner come, niggas will do their own thing. Things change like a man, but I respect what it came. It's all love from me. You my blood in this deep. I can never turn my back. I'm just trying to get me up from the streets. You can feel my hustle. You go back to your daddy and mother, and all I got is my nigga. I wake up early, hit the lean, trying to put together something. I don't know what it is. I just know my time coming, so I grind like I'm all I got. Might be all I got. Sometimes I feel I'm all I got. I wake up early, hit the lean, trying to put together something. I don't know what it is. I just know my time coming, so I grind like I'm all I got. Might be all I got. Sometimes I feel I'm all I got. Say drama, you go hard, you put on for the squad. Made a nigga step it up, cause I was like, fuck this rap shit, really gill. Call it quit, say fuck everything, turn back to the streets. Knocking hard would be deep, cause we got the same pain. Look in his eyes, you will see, this the way life made us, no time to wait. Fuck handouts and favors, a go-getter. Should've been got my shit together. Business crash, 9/11, see the smiling shit change. No love, just a mug, all in public with that thing. Looking at niggas who don't know me, like you gon' have to show me. Time to let this shit slide. It's time for me to expose 5 years, put on hold, being cut out of a deal. Well, I'm still linking notes and everybody getting them. Can't even look me in my face, so your head turn away. But I put this on my life, nigga, that's the best way. I wake up early, hit the lean, trying to put together something. I don't know what it is, I just know my time coming, so I grind like I'm all I got. Might be all I got. Sometimes I feel I'm all I got. I wake up early, hit the lean, trying to put together something. I don't know what it is, I just know my time coming, so I grind like I'm all I got. Might be all I got. Sometimes I feel I'm all I got. Last verse, Pokey gone, Sean gone, and this shit still hurt. Tears fall late at night when I'm full of that perk. Thinking about the old days, how shit changed so much. The love gone, so we live by our word. And that word don't be shit, so to steal by the curb. No trust, you come around, my niggas mug and observe.